Turbo EV 1000 arrives in Namma, Bangalore. Euler Motors launches world's first 1-ton electric mini truck, engineered for the city's demanding logistics landscape, daily 70 to 100 kilometers runs, and load-loving drivers. The vehicle delivers certified 1T payload, 140 to 200 kilometers real range, and up to rupees 1.15 lakh annual savings. Bangalore, 13th October 2025, Euler Motors, a leader in the electric commercial vehicle space, announced the launch of Euler Turbo EV 1000, a 1-ton 4WECV in.
Hello, I am Rohit Gattani. I head vehicle financing at Euler Motors. We are very pleased to announce the launch of Euler Turbo EV 1000 in the city of Bengaluru. With this product, we hope to solve a lot of city problems which are there presently throughout the country. Like 42 out of 50 cities are the worst polluted globally in India. So with this product, we are not only offering the pollution factor to reduce the pollution factor, but also in terms of operational efficiency of transporters. This has 1000 kg payload. This has real range from 140 to 180 kilometer real range as well. So all your city transports typically take 70 to 100 kilometer range. So even with 140 and 180 kilometer, they can do multiple shift, increase their earnings as well. And even with 100-120 kilometer running, monthly operational saving for our customers would be from around 10 to 12,000 rupees, which is very important for their livelihood as such. It also comes with CCS2 enabled charging, which you can basically, with this CCS2 enabled charging, you can charge at any location where you can charge your cars as well. So it is a universal charger if you think like that. And then other than payload, we have also improved on our chassis as well. So this vehicle is meant to last for years and years basically, because one of the problems we understood from the market, people think that EVs, they cannot carry load, they are made from plastic frame, etc. So this has a 13% higher thick metal body as such in this case, and our chassis frame is also 2.5 mm, which is around 20% higher than even the ICE. So this vehicle is made to compete with ICE. It is not to make, because from a customer point of view, it is important to match operational efficiency as such. So with this product, I think it is going to win the markets. And if you see the electrification in four-wheeler, which is slightly lagging behind, with this product, and I think we'll be able to match the electrification rate, and we'll soon see electrification in Bengaluru as well.